Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it if you with it.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So first you're gonna need a pick, some hair grease, and also this firming lock and wax from Mango and Lime. So today we're gonna be doing a 2-strand twist on my brother Matthew. Shout out to my brother for letting me record this. And so I'm not that good at parting, as you gonna see throughout this video. That's why I really don't like doing stuff like this, doing hair and stuff. But anyway, so I'm using the pick rather than a rat tail comb or a comb, because the pick makes it easier for me to part his hair. So yes, first you're gonna part it, and then you're gonna section off a small piece, that whichever size that you want to make the twist. So I applied that grease to his scalp because his scalp can get very dry. So that grease is going to help with that. So now I'm just getting ready to see how big of a part I want to make. And I'm going to do the first twist. And what I like to have him do is, and I'm also going to apply the wax. So after I do the first one, I like for him to touch it to make sure like that's the size that he wants it. And that was the size that he wanted his hair. So yeah. And if you don't know what a 2-strand twist is, it's basically where when your mom used to do your hair to get ready to put the bow rest on, split the hair in half and twist it all the way at the bottom. That's all it is to it. Very simple, quick, protective style. So y'all do not mind my parting. I know it looked kind of crazy, but like I said, parting is not my strength. So now I'm on my second row, and I'm doing them a little bit smaller, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be one point where he tells me that he want them smaller, so I end up doing them smaller. So I'm just gonna part, apply the wax, twist it, and just keep doing this throughout his whole head. So keep watching. So I just wanted to say I'm sorry if there's certain parts on the video that you can't really see good because I have the camera position. This is my first time recording me doing somebody else's hair, so it was kind of hard, but I will get the hang of it and I will get better. And also I'm sorry for my brother being ratchet, chewing his gum throughout my video. But yeah. So y'all, here I thought zooming in would help y'all see better, but I don't think it really made a difference. And then I decided to zoom in at dang near the end of me finishing his hair. So yes, I'll do better next time. Okay, so now that I'm finished, he gonna do a 360 so y'all can see how I look, and then he gonna put a do-rag on and let them lay flat for the whole night, and then we're gonna come back in the morning. Matthew, why did you brush them out like that? I said, why did you just brush them like that? They look nice.